your mind. Sing along softly with a happy sound where fun and discoveries can be found. I is for ice, cold and very clear. J is for juice, to sit right up here. K is for kitten, wanting a soft cuddle. Is for lake where fish love to huddle. We're almost there, let's keep going strong, singing the alphabet all through the song. M is for mouse, tiny and so fast. N is for night, a calm spell it casts. O is for owl, wise and full of grace. P is for puppy wagging in his place. Every letter a friend you will find. Learning the alphabet so good for your mind. Sing along softly with a happy sound where fun and discoveries can be found. Q is for quilt, cozy and so warm. R is for rabbit, safe in its storm. S is for star, shining in the sky. T is for tree, growing up so high. So many letters, one by one we greet. Learning the alphabet, truly a sweet treat. U is for umbrella, keeping us dry. V is for violin, a sweeter lullaby. W is for watch, telling us the time. X is for X-ray, in a gentle rhyme. Every letter a friend you will find. Learning the alphabet so good for your mind. Sing along softly with a happy sound where fun and discoveries can be found. Y is for yacht, sailing with such grace. Z is for zoo, a happy lively place. We've sung our letters from A to sweet Z.